uNdlovu uyakuphika ukuthi waba ngowokuqala ukufika endaweni okwatholakala isidumbu somshana wakhe uMayeni Mashaba nowashona ngo-2017. Ubuzwe ukuthi kungani yayihlezi enolwazi ngokuthi idumbu zamalungu omndeni wakhe zayizotholakala kuphi.
But I find it strange, ma'am, that you knew exactly where to search for the missing individuals, and all of them were found to have died.
So I'm going to figure out Maurice,
my lord, when it comes to my sister, Ndlovu, that's my sister. I went there to assist her, to help her with money. She wanted me to give her some money, and I wouldn't get there and see strange things, unusual things, and ignore that. She's my sister. And when it comes to Yingwani Maurice, I was staying with him. I wouldn't ignore the fact that he didn't come back home after going to work.
uNdlovu ukhonjiswe ukuthi washayela uNjabulo Vincent Kunene ucingo ikhawu ezimbalwa ngo-2018. uKunene watshela inkantolo ukuthi wayeqashwe uNdlovu ukuthi yabulala udadewabo kanye nezingane zakhe ezinhlanu.
I do see the calls. I have no problems with the calls between me and Vincent Jabulo Kunene, but I've never hired him as a hitman.
Ukuphikile nokuthi wake wafonela nolakhiwe Mkhize lokungomunye owatshela inkantolo ukuthi wayeqashwe uNdlovu ukuthi yabulale amalungu omndeni wakhe.
My lord, I do not remember speaking with Lakiwe Mkhize on the phone. I don't remember him making a phone call to me. I don't remember picking up a phone call only to find that it's Lakiwe Mkhize's voice on the other end. No, it never happened. I've never spoken to him on the phone.
Leli cala liyaqhubeka.